Welcome back to our channel. If you don't have a backup, losing your iPhone or running into issues like a white screen can be really frustrating. So today, I'll show you how to back up your iPhone to a MacBook. Let's get started. Method 1. Backup iPhone using Finder. First, connect your iPhone to your MacBook. Once it's connected, open Finder on your Mac. On the left sidebar, find and click your iPhone. If you see the device information load, that means your iPhone is connected successfully. Scroll down to the backup section. Here, you'll see the time of your last backup. You can update your backup regularly based on your needs. Since I haven't backed up before, mine shows never. Before starting the backup, you can choose to encrypt it by checking the encryption option and setting a password. This step is optional. For this demo, I'll skip encryption. To create the backup, just click Backup Now. The backup time mainly depends on how much data is on your iPhone. It usually takes around 10 minutes, but since my iPhone doesn't have much data, it finishes pretty quickly. When you see backed up to this MacBook, along with a local timestamp, that means the backup was successful. If you ever need to restore the backup, just connect your iPhone to the Mac again and click Restore Backup. Your iPhone will then restore from the local backup on your MacBook. But there's one annoying issue, and it's a common Mac problem. Sometimes, the progress bar gets stuck because of network issues. So if you have a lot of data and the backup takes a long time, getting stuck can be really frustrating. That's why I have a second solution for you. Method 2. Backup iPhone with iCarefone. Compared to Apple's official method, iCarefone is a more stable and efficient solution. It supports both macOS and Windows, and also allows backups for iPhone and Android devices. You can download the software using the link in the video description below. Connect your iPhone to your Mac and open iCarefone. On the left side, click Backup and Restore. Here, you'll see all your existing backups. I've backed up before, so I can click View to check the backup contents, including messages, Safari data, videos, and files. Go back and click Backup Now. Select the file types you want to back up here. We'll choose all. Then click Backup to start. Again, the backup time depends on how much data is on your iPhone. But you'll notice it finishes very quickly with just one click. Go back to Backup and Restore, and you can view the backup content again. To restore, simply click Restore to Device at the bottom. The biggest advantage of iCarefone is speed. You can choose exactly what you want to back up. And most importantly, the process doesn't get stuck. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.